How to save battery on Insta360 X5. So first of all, scroll down to your control panel. Swipe towards the left-hand side and at the bottom right, you'll see Endurance Mode. Tap on it. Now, if you enable Endurance Mode, you would be able to run the battery for a longer time period. Now, over here under Support Mode, you can see the features that will be supported when Endurance Mode is turned on. Then, under Disabled Features, you will see all the features that will be disabled when Endurance Mode is turned on. Now, just tap on Enable. Now, as you turn on Endurance Mode, you will be able to save battery on Insta360 X5. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.